The view that you just saw was from a monitor that is set up in the cupola of the International Space Station, a reference point for both Nyberg and Cassidy to use. The HTV, you can see a strobe light on the body of the vehicle. It, unlike other cargo ships, does not have deployable solar arrays. The solar panels are wrapped around the body of the HTV itself to provide electrical power for all of its systems. With its 28 reaction control system jets behaving normally, the HTV-4 approaches at a rate of just 1 inch per second, now inside 20 meters away. Outstanding views of the orbital choreography being performed as the International Space Station and HTV-4 are just 10 meters apart. The two craft currently flying 260 miles over the South Atlantic. We've updated the capture clock to reflect a predicted grapple time of about 6:26 a.m. Central Time, just a few minutes ahead of the predicted grapple time. Nothing magic about that time, with as long as the lighting remains good for the crew on board the International Space Station.
Houston Station, we're starting the approach. Copy.
The robotics officer here in Mission Control reports the arm in motion. The International Space Station now in free drift. 1 meter away from capture. Latching end effector over the pin. Capture confirmed at 6:22 a.m. Central Time. Grapple confirmed. The International Space Station and HTV-4 flying 260 miles south of South Africa.